Hello, during this video we'll see the different steps the user should follow to install correctly eMotor Director. The first step consists to download eMotor Director from Altair One Marketplace. Verify that you have an Altair One account, which is necessary to download the required software. Once this is done, eMotor Director must be installed with the following Altair product. You must first download and install the software package listed. You have Pulse, Flex Motor, HyperWorks Desktop, include HyperStudy, Activate, Compose, Obstruct, Simlab. Before you begin, install an existing version of eMotor Director in the same location. To execute the installation, double-click on altair-emotordirector.exe. Select your preferred language and click OK. Follow the wizard prompt and define the installation parameters. The first path is the location where eMotor Director must be installed. The installer creates a new folder for eMotor Director at this location, which can be on your local machine or a network drive. The second path, referred to as the HyperWorks location, is the location of Altair Pulse. The third path refers to installation of Activate and Compose. Once this is done, review your selection and click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Done to quit the installer. In this slide, we will see how the user can launch eMotor Director from directly the BAT file. In this case, the user should go to the folder where the eMotor Director is installed and double-click on the BAT file. The HyperWorks application opens with eMotor Director ribbon, and you click on eMotor Director. The interface of eMotor Director will be opened. To start a new project, you need to click or select on New Project, and a new window will be opened to start a new project. This is the end of this video about the installation. Thank you.